This is Pycnanthemum tenuifolium, grass leaf mountain mint. This is a great little native plant. This is native from central U.S. all the way to the East Coast, up and down, probably all the way down into the South. This is a great plant. It smells wonderful. It's a mint. It's in the mint family. Deer don't eat it. Rabbits don't eat it. Groundhogs don't eat it. So it's a really good plant. It's easy to propagate, but unfortunately I put it in the wrong place. What I'm going to do today, I'm going to whack it back and it'll bloom a little later, and we'll take a look and see how. Okay, we're going to give it a haircut. Here it is, June 29th. I did this chop on this narrow leaf mountain mint, Pycnanthemum tenuifolium, to try to control it because it was getting too tall. It would have been like this if I let it go. So we chopped it in less than half, and now, as you can see, it's in full bloom. It is just about 2 feet tall, pretty good in the front of the border. It's not covering up my tuberosa, my Asclepias tuberosa, my butterfly weed. So it's pretty good. It worked out really well. So that's what you can do, if you have plants that are that might get too tall for where you have them, or they might flop over. I got a comment from someone who saw my video and said their mountain mint flops over. Well, this is the ideal solution to that. Just cut it back and let it come again. So probably would have bloomed a week or so earlier, but it's pretty much on time. I have other ones in my hill garden that I didn't chop back, and they just started blooming too. So it didn't seem like it even delayed the flowering that much. So now it's late afternoon, and the pollinators are went to bed already. Otherwise, it would have a bunch of little bees, and it gets butterflies, and it's a great plant. So Pycnanthemum tenuifolium, narrow leaf mountain mint, chopped back in early May, and here it is late June, and it's absolutely beautiful.